We have French drains running through this yard, a couple parallels with some balance tubes. Actually got a feeder pipe that goes up in like a T. Look at that. Isn't that something? That thing runs and runs and runs. It's just amazing how much water these systems will move. If the water's in the subsoil, our systems are going to move it. That's plain and simple. This thing runs all the time. We're going to get into why it runs all the time. And I'm going to have some more video explaining where this is coming from and what I'm going to do to help kind of cut it off at the pass, so to speak, so it's not traveling through the yard the way it's been. We definitely got a spring, and I found a location where we can tap into it. Instead of moving it through the entire system. This runs non-stop. It's been like this for weeks.